The traditional focaccia bread is made with pizza dough mixed with olive oil and bread flour with some toppings of your choice. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this same focaccia bread using all-purpose flour and a regular vegetable oil or melted margarine, and then with toppings of my choice. And I know if you try this my recipe, you're going to love the outcome. It's so crispy on the outside and super soft in the inside. So relax and enjoy this video to the end, and I know when you try this recipe you're going to love it. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Welcome back to all my new and old subscribers, and if you have not subscribed to this moment, please hit on the subscribe button and always help me by sharing my video, liking my video. This will help YouTube to push my video to the larger audience so that others will have the avenue to get all these my delicious, handy, easy to make recipes. So this is my food. Sorry guys, after adding the 250 grams of all-purpose flour, I added half teaspoon of salt. I'm sorry, my camera didn't capture that point where I added the salt. So once you add your flour, you add in half teaspoon salt before mixing everything together. So I measured out 15 grams of margarine before melting it and adding into the dough. But if you have olive oil or you have normal vegetable oil, you can use it at this point. So after the 20 minutes, you're going to touch your fingers or your hand in water, and then you take up the dough and fold it in just as you see in the video. Take it off from each of the sides and fold it in or fold it over anyone. Apply some oil to your hands and ensure you apply enough oil inside the baking pan or the tray, okay, so that you can easily move the dough up or fold it over. You have to cover this again to rest for 2 hours or 3 hours.